This video we are going to learn how to get PNG file or PNG image and filter with. So let's get started. We will see here, type your Google and then you will get your tools. You can see here tools is shown here. Just click here and then you can filter it from there. We'll go to image and we'll go to tools, and in tools we will get here color. In color we will select here transparent. We'll just hit here transparent, and this all the images are transparent where there is no background, so we can download it and get the image with no background. So this is the simple way to get PNG file. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will show you by downloading one picture. So suppose I would like to download this, right click, save images as, and you can see here on name.png that this PNG file is downloaded. So if I open this, and you can see here my PNG file is now this. You can see the difference. How can we get this PNG file? So in this way, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.